sometimes you will have data where you wish that the rows were your columns and the columns were your rows. So you can do what is called transposing your data, and that's where you quite literally flip your columns and rows. And rather than needing to do that manually, you can just make use of copy and paste actually in Excel. So if we highlight our data, let's say that we just want to transpose this portion of it, and we copy it. So I'm going to hit Control C on my computer, and I can see that it's going to be copied because of this moving dashed line. And then, maybe I would open up a new sheet, or I can just, for a small one, I can just transpose it over here rather than just pasting it. So rather than just hitting Control V, I'm going to right click, and I have a number of paste options up here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually select the fourth one from the left, which is this one, transpose. And I just select that, and it will transpose the data. So now you can see what used to be column headings are now row indicators, and all of the values are now kind of flipped. And they are accurate to where they need to be. Here's our text column right here, and the rest of them are numbers.